Hello and welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to create a Facebook business page. Now first, go to this URL, facebook.com/business. Then you will land on this page right here. Then go to the top right and click this icon right here and click Create Page. Alright then, pick the business or brand selection. Click Get Started. For your page name, pick the one that suits you the most. I'll just put mine Aperture. And for the category, also put the one that suits you the most. I'll just type Camera. Alright, done. And then click Continue down here. Wait for it to load. Alright, then upload a profile picture. Click here and find the profile picture that suits your company. Mine would be an aperture symbol. Then you can also upload a cover photo, but I'm going to skip that for now. And there you go. You've successfully created a business page. Pretty easy, right? Now, if you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.